All right, guys, this one's for tomorrow. I'm excited about that test drive. But today, we've got us a little Malibu here. This is a 1967 Chevelle for $25,900. 350 under the hood, power steering. No AC on this car. Drum brakes all the way around. Black on black. Nice pretty paint job. We're gonna be going around pointing at any kind of flaws on this pretty paint job. I'm gonna open the trunk up. We're gonna check everything out underneath, inside. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy when you get here. Check out maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures of this car, all of our inventory, financing information, and yeah, we could ship these cars everywhere. Starting up here in the front, they've already replaced the front bumper. The grille is in great condition. Guys, if you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. I try and post them every single day. Trim looks pretty good around the wheels. I like the wheels, they look great. Decent tread, about 50%. Checking the bottoms of the doors, nice and solid. Trim around the windows in great condition as well. Pollen never stops here. And wash it, 20 minutes later, it's dirty again. Especially the black. Mirrors have been replaced. There's some pitting showing up on the vent window trim. Door handles have been replaced as well. Again, sorry about the pollen. Lines aren't so bad. It is a little high here in the corner on the trunk. Rear bumper's been replaced as well. Dual exhaust out the back. It's not perfect around the tail lights, you can see. Decently wide tires on the back, a little bit better stance. Looking for any rust bubbles, chips on the door panel. I haven't really seen any. I'm getting up close and staying low, trying to find them. This paint job's in really good shape. The hood's nice and clean on the underside as well. Well, like I said, it's a 350. I read the numbers off the back of the motor. There's plenty of space up in here. Of course, there's that rail, so you have to get down below it. But this is the 0010, or I guess it'd be 397 0010. We'll go ahead and grab the trunk keys. We'll pop it. Weather stripping sticking to the trunk lid there. little bit of moisture. Get some in here. It did rain a lot yesterday. They said it came a downpour up here. It always seems to be raining in Tennessee. Looks like a little bit of surface rust popping up on the package tray itself. They cut a hole there at some point for a speaker. And over there, and over there. And you can see some rust popping up on the back side and the corners. Try to point all that out, let that be known. See the work that's been done right there. See this side. Same with this side. Trunk lid's in great condition. Shuts down nice and easy. Let's go check the interior out. Bench seat in good condition. It's not tore up. Go ahead, place your bets. Something we like to do on this TV show is the horn. Do you think the horn works? Back seat is in great condition as well. Headliner looks good. The dash pad has got a crack in it, so it's going to need to be replaced. Well, if you don't mind that one crack, that's all that's popping up on it. A little bit of dry spots from the sun over here. Door panel's in great shape. Looks like it's been replaced. Weather stripping looks good around the door. Checking out the bottom. Carpet's been replaced as well. Mileage on the dash. Mileage is actually exempt on these cars. I can't stand behind what it says. I don't want that to be out there as me standing behind some mileage that's unknown. Go ahead and start this up. Starts up nice and easy. Windshield wipers. They don't seem to be working. We'll leave them on a second and see if we can mess with them. Radio not working. Blower motor not working. Horn, it works. It's not up here, it's right below the steering wheel. Gas gauge, we're definitely stopping and getting gas because this thing looks like it's almost out. I left the windshield wipers on. I was messing with them just to see if something's jammed up or not plugged up. And I'm just gonna say they need some work. Good thing is majority of stuff is already done. All the big stuff. Wipers don't cost that much. Motor's nice and quiet on this one. Hood lines up pretty good. Sitting a little tall in the middle there. All right, guys, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, rear, and passenger side. And we have 100 detailed pictures on maplemotors.com. That's where you can find your financing options and shipping options, as well as all of our inventory. So definitely check that website out. We're gonna check out underneath. Here we go. If you like this channel, hit that subscribe button. I try and post videos every single day. Like I said earlier, hit that subscribe button and it'll let you know every time I post a video. And Maple Motors is the place to go if you want to know all of our inventory, information about each one, financing, and shipping. Also, getting ready to do a test drive. We do test drives on every single car that comes through the lot, or at least we try to get to them before they sell. And we'll take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws like we did in this video. All you got to do is type in 1967 Chevelle Maple Motors. If you want to see the test drive, put test drive before all that. All right, guys. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.